Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor recruitment notification from one of the government college. And here all the posts are the permanent jobs and the total number of vacancies are 103 are there from the multiple departments. So it is a very good opportunity to the candidates who are having the UG Senate plus post graduation. And before going into the details of this video, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then tap the bell icon. Then you are going to get such type of notifications to your devices. Fine. And it is the Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, and the advertisement for recruitment of teaching positions. Online applications are invited from the Indian nationals, including overseas citizens of India, for various teaching posts in Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. And the eligible candidate should fill in online application form through IGNTU website. So it is a link here, and must submit hard copy of application form through speed or registered post only with the self-attested photocopies of all supporting documents. And here the opening date is 7/9/2020 and the closing date is October 6th 2020, and the last date of receiving of hard copy is 15/10/2020. So without receipt of hard copy of application along with the self-attested copies of required enclosures, candidature will be cancelled. That means after applying the online application, then please send the hard copy whatever they are mentioning here. And next, the number of teaching positions coming to the professor 22 and the associate professor 41 and the assistant professor 40 vacancies are there. Here the pay matrix 10 as per the 7th Central Pay Commission. That means level 10 means the post graduation plus UG Senate is enough in the concerned discipline. And coming to the in this table, the name of the department and the designation of the post and the total number of vacancies as per the caste category also divided here. And coming to the name of the departments: Ancient Indian History, Culture and Archaeology, Biotechnology, Business Management, Chemistry, Commerce, Computer Science, and Computer Science in RCM, and Economics and Education. Next, English and Foreign Language, Environmental Science, Geography, Geology, Hindi, History, Home Science, Journalism and Mass Communication, Linguistics and Contrastive Study of Tribal Languages, Museology, Nursing, Performing Arts, Pharmacy, Philosophy, Physical Education and Physical Education in RCM, Physics, Political Science and Human Rights, Psychology, Social Work and Social Work in RCM, Sociology and Social Anthropology, Statistics and Tourism Management, Tribal Studies, Art, Culture and Folk Literature, Yoga and Zoology. So these are the different departments where the assistant professor, associate and the professor vacancies are mentioned here. Okay. And coming to the eligibility criteria and all these things that you can check here. Anyhow, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. Okay. And coming to the terms and conditions, it is a direct recruitment to the post of the assistant or associate or professor in the university shall be on the merit basis. Okay. And in accordance with the UGC rules and regulations. And the eligibility will not entitle any candidate to be called for the interview. The eligibility shall be strictly on the basis of academic or the research score. So here there is no written test. So as per this point, whoever the candidate selected by the university, they will be directly called for the interview. Okay. And at the time of interview, you have to bring all your original degree certificates, mark sheets, and relating to the age and experience and all these certificates you have to bring to the university. Okay. And the university may restrict number of candidates to be called for the interview. So these are all the points, so please go through carefully. And non-refundable fee for UR, OBC and EWS category 1000 rupees, and for the SC, ST, PWD 500 rupees. Okay. And the hard copy has to be on or before 15/10. Okay. And the last date for online application form is October 6th 2020. Okay. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities in the government college. That too in the Madhya Pradesh. Okay. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows. So please follow that one, guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is especially for the candidates UG Senate Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as crash course on electronic science through multiple choice questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020, guys. Okay. So apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month. Or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profiling, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay, so career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC NET electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018 July and December 2018 and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay, so it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET electronic science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing tap the bell icon, and please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET electronic science. Thank you, guys.